Good morning everyone, I'm Mark from VELO-TOOL, and this week we're going to talk about spring bike check and everything you need to do to make sure your bike's in tip-top condition for the spring and summer seasons. So tip one is your chain. Give your chain a good degrease. You can use a degreaser like GT85 or VELO-21, give it a good clean. Tip number two, we're going to check our chain for chain wear, and using the VELO-TOOL chain wear tool. As you can see, it's less than 0.5% wear, so this chain is fine. And remember, if it goes past 0.75 or 1%, you definitely need to change your chain. Tip number three, make sure your chain's well lubricated. Either use chain oil or wax, whichever you prefer. I like to do mine on the cassette itself, so that it lubricates the cassette as well as the chain. Tip number four, we're going to check our rear cassette for excessive wear. Rotate it, make sure everything's nice and tight and there's no excessive movement. And also your front chain ring, same procedure, check the teeth and the rotation. Everything's fine, no excessive movement. So tip number five, finally get your gear together and so you're ready to roll on to your next adventure.